Welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss classification of triangles based on sides and then apply these points and solve a couple of questions which have been asked before in various exams. And this is the fifth in the series of geometry videos. Based on sides, we can classify triangles into three types. The first one is scalene triangle, where all the three sides are distinct, they are different. No two sides equal here. You can make out all the three sides are distinct. Next one, isosceles triangle, where two of the three sides are equal and these two are equal. This is the side which is not equal. The side which is not equal is called base. In an isosceles triangle, when we say base refers to the side which is not equal. The unequal side is called the base, right? In fact, the equal sides are called legs. Equal sides are called legs and equal side is called the base. And the next one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all three sides are equal. All three sides are equal. And because all three sides are equal, all their heights are also equal, and height of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 into side, right? So this is the classification of triangles based on sides. All three sides distinct, then two sides equal, then all three sides equal. Now let's answer a couple of questions based on this. If the perimeter of a scalene triangle with integral sides is 24 centimeters, then how many triangles are possible? Now, in a triangle, the largest or maximum value of any side, should be less than half the perimeter, Why? In this case, suppose perimeter is 24 by 2, it should be less than 12. Why? Suppose if it is equal to 12, what happens? Suppose if one of the sides is 12, the other two sides together will be 12 because perimeter is 24. But you know, in a triangle, sum of any two sides should be greater than third side. That basic property is now contradicted. So that is the reason the maximum side can be less than half the perimeter. It cannot be 12, it has to be less than 12. If it is 12 or more than 12, sum of other two sides cannot be greater than this. Hence, the basic property of triangle is not satisfied. Hence, so the maximum value is less than 12 means, since they are integers, maximum value of any side, let us say largest side, can be 11. If the maximum value of the largest side is 11, what are the other two sides will be? Other two sides can be 13 because perimeter is 24. If it is 11, the other two will be 13. And what are the possible options? 10 and 3. Because the largest side is 11, second largest can be 10. 10, 3, 9, 4, 8, 5, 7, 6. Anything else? No. So there are four possible cases. What if the largest side is 10? I said maximum value has to be less 11. It should be less than 12 means maximum 11. Does not mean that it should be 11 only. What if it is 10? If it is 10, the other two sides should be 14 because 24 is the perimeter. The other two sides should be 14 means, since the largest side is 10, the second largest can be 9. So 5, 8, 6, 7, 7. No, 7, 7 is not acceptable because we are looking for a scalene triangle. So hence, there are two possible cases. What if the largest side is 9? If the largest side is 9, sum of the other two sides will be 15. Sum of the other two sides is 15 because total perimeter is 24. And since the largest side is 9, the second largest can be 8. And then 8 and 7, 15. That is the only possibility. Can the largest side be 8? If the largest side is 8, sum of the other two sides will be 16. How is it possible? It is possible only if I consider 8, 8, 8. But that is not a scalene triangle, that is an equilateral triangle. Hence, this is ruled out. So, how many cases are possible? 4 here, 2 here, 1 here. Total 7 cases are possible. So, how many triangles are possible means we can have 7 distinct triangles, right? So, because of these three conditions, perimeter is 24, sides has to be integers, and it should be scalene triangle, right? Next, suppose if I have not put the word scalene in the question, if that scalene is missing, if it is like this, If the perimeter of a triangle with integral sides is 24 centimeter, how many triangles are possible? So now I am not specifying it's a scalene triangle or isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle. Then what happens? If you go back to the previous question, so what are the options we eliminated here? This one option and this is one more option. These two options also will be considered. Earlier you said your answer is how many triangles were possible? You said 7. Your answer was 7 before. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7 was possible. Now this 1 and this 1, 2 more are possible. So my answer could have been 9, because earlier, other than what we have considered before, we can also consider 10, 7, 7, 1, 8, 8, 8. So 2 more, 1 isosceles triangle, 1 equilateral triangle also are possible with 24. Hence my answer is 9 possible cases, right? Students, for more on geometry, please reach my profile at Udemy. You will find a course on geometry. Thank you.